Hello students, I hope you all are fine at home and doing your work properly and sincerely. And today we are going to start one new work of chapter first day at school. Earlier we have done what we have done 6 lines of poem, then word difficult words, then we have done word meanings, and now we are going to start question answers. As you are seeing here that today the date is 23rd April and we are starting question answers. Okay, so firstly I am explaining you one by one, then after I will click a photograph and I will send you, then you will maintain like this only, like I have maintained in my notebook. Okay, so I will tell you afterwards. Firstly we will start with the question 1. So first question 1 is, who wrote the poem First Day at School? Who wrote the poem First Day at School? As I told you when we have learnt the poem, that who has written the poem, who is the poet of the poem? Ellen Fisher. Okay, so firstly you will write the name of the poet who has written, Ellen Fisher. Okay, what is the spelling? AILEEN, Ellen, FISHER, Fisher. Okay, this is the name. So you will start with the capital letter like I have written here, A capital, F capital, and you will put inverted commas because it's a proper name and only he has written this poem. Okay, so Ellen Fisher wrote means लिखा था, किसने लिखी थी ये poem? The poem First Day at School. I hope you understood this question and this answer very properly. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Question 2. What does the child in the poem think about his drawing? As we have learned, what does the child in the poem think about his drawing? What does he think? Yes, I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. You have learnt now? So what we will write in the answer? The child thinks. Now why we are writing here thinks? In question though it is written, what it is written? Think, THINK, but we are writing in the answer thinks. Why we are writing? Because in question there is does, DOES. Okay, whenever does will come in the question, we will add S in the verb in the answer. Okay, we will not write think. Think means सोचना, काम हो रहा है, think. So we will add S in the verb. Okay, काम, verb means जो काम हो रहा है. The child thinks if his drawing will be as good as his classmates. Classmates, CLASSMATES. Okay, classmates means आपके सॉरी आपके साथ के बच्चे. ठीक है, classmates. So what is the answer? Repeat with me. The child thinks if his drawing will be as good as his classmates. क्या उसकी ड्राइंग उसके क्लासमेट्स की तरह होगी? तो वो ये सोच रहा है अपने माइंड में. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 3. व्हाट डज द चाइल्ड वंडर अबाउट हिज टीचर? जो चाइल्ड है वो टीचर के लिए क्या सोच रहा है कि कैसे होंगे उसके टीचर्स? क्या पढ़ा था हमने पोएम में? व्हाट वी हैव रेड? I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. है ना, we have learnt that the child wonders. Why we are writing wonders here? In question so it is wonder. I told you in the earlier question, in this question, if does will there in the question, you will write S or you will add S in the verb in the answer. Okay, so wonder means again कि वो कुछ जानना चाह रहा है, कुछ सोच रहा है. The child wonders if his teacher will look like his mom or gran. अब वो सोच रहा है कि उसके टीचर उसकी मम्मी की तरह होंगे या ग्रैंड मदर की तरह होंगे, ठीक है। सो अगेन वी विल रिपीट, द चाइल्ड वॉन्डर्स इफ हिज टीचर विल लुक लाइक हिज मॉम और ग्रैंड. Easy. Now I am telling you how to write these question answers in your notebook, in your fair notebook. Okay, firstly you will maintain date. Okay, then you will maintain chapter, first day at school. In the next line you will maintain question answer. Q means question, ANS means answer. Okay, afterwards you will leave line. यहाँ आप लाइन छोड़ेंगे, ये जैसे मैंने लीव की है. Next you will write question 1 like this. Next you will write in the next line answer. Okay, after answer again you will leave one line and then you will write question 2. You will maintain question 2. After question 2 again you will maintain answer. After maintaining answer of this question you will leave line. ठीक है, after answer you will leave line and then you will write question 3. After question 3 you will leave line, sorry, after question 3 you will maintain answer, and that is finished. Now remember this thing, after finishing one answer you will mark full stop as I have marked also. Okay, ठीक है, जहाँ सेंटेंस फिनिश होगा, जहाँ आंसर फिनिश होगा, you will maintain full stop, you will put full stop there. Okay, don't forget. Now this is a humble request to parents that please sit with your child when they will write this work in their fair notebook and check whether they are writing in a good handwriting or not. Writing should be good, words should be clearly maintained, answer should be clearly maintained in the notebook like I have maintained here. Okay, that's why I have written in this notebook only कि आप भी अच्छे से देखें और ऐसे ही maintain करें in a good writing, and उनकी spellings को आप check करेंगे. This is for parents. Okay.